The Visound Air Earbuds sold on VisionBeam.com are marketed as ultralight, nearly invisible wireless earphones designed for comfort and portability. The website looks professional, offering a 60-day home trial, 1-year warranty, and customer reviews, which suggest legitimacy. But here's the catch. This is a classic dropshipping product. Identical earbuds can be found on marketplaces like AliExpress at lower prices. So when you do a reverse image search on the V-Sound wireless earbuds, you can see that there are lots of products here with another name. You can see this Honcast from Amazon, and it is also being sold on Walmart. We have Lingomen earbuds, My Joy Classic Wireless Earbuds, and a lot more. So the bottom line is VisionBeam.com is a real store. You'll receive a product, but it's drop shipping with inflated claims. Expect basic performance, not high-end audio quality. If you want a reliable earbud, you stick to big names such as Sony or JBL.